So I received in the mail a travel blow-up bed, great for camping, hiking, or just for a second bedroom, spare bedroom kind of setup. Gonna take a look at this and see what's in the package. The actual motor itself to blow up the bed. Comes with an AC power adapter to plug into the wall. Comes with an adapter to plug into your car, which is kind of cool, and different size nozzles to blow up different type of things. And that's what's in here so far. Just pull out the mattress and take a look at it. Also, comes with an instruction manual. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, but let's get into it and take a look at it. So here it is here, heavy quality. My first impression, here is the blow-up valve in here for the actual main bed itself. It does have side rails as well, so your child won't roll out, which is nice. And it does come with also a carrying bag, so you can carry the bed, and all the accessories come in a bag as well. That is a good feature, I like that. And let's just open this up and see what we have. So we have the mattress itself, the actual foundation, let's call it, and then the actual mattress itself that we have to blow up. So two different pieces that you can do. They both have the adapter to fill up the mattress and also the bed itself. So let's put it up in the pump, hook it up, and just see how long. You take these two plugs out. This is for rapid deflation, but you want to inflate it. This is a valve you want to put in first. Okay, this way you can blow it up and the air won't come out. So it's like a check valve. And then you actually put the blower in here, and then you just turn it on. And when you hear it running really high, just shut it off, pull out the valve, and it shuts it right off, and it doesn't leak. Now you have a nice, soft, but firm mattress. And just like that, when it's done, just pull it right out. Air doesn't escape. You put on your valve, just like this here, you push it in, just like that. And that's it, you're good to go. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome, very sturdy and good quality, very high quality item. I definitely highly recommend this item, really.